Alright, I'm Ghana for you and by Yadon TV so within Eddie Charles Nana at be from Sir Charles Namenyo yes you said you might be nasi and they begin come kakra at their social media issues also. In fact, and then guessing Kamisha Black because in fact sad news happened. Bishop Bernard Nyako a film na rebel sefim. In fact, na min jindi until senra omoye show yi on friend simple 3 award na omo announce sampa papa no awu na me raho because o na ye hunhum nipa nyame ensa wo so a obehu se nyame ma ahra de kese movie as a industry ni so ahra de kese and the art industry ni so ahra de kese nyame emfa ne kra ensi papa nyame emfa ne kra ensi papa na nyen nti na me baaye ba me ba because of issue a ano tene pa e dey issue na me ka ho asem eye Lewin Calibos Bismarck the joke Sandra Abibio against Funny Face. Meaning the Funny Face edge. And I mean these 4 people edge. In fact, we are taking this country Obi say entertainment. This is bullshit. I was watching this guy, I'm for example, Teacher Kojo TV. Teacher Kojo. And Teacher Kojo can say enti se Funny Face nim so onim bibi a eye evil ebe ha eye enkwala no mo living school mo ha ade no nka na by this time and na abeka Funny Face or a hypocrite. To be frank with you, say Funny Face me gina efa phone e record ka say Adebayo e discover so ntuma nso a no Adebayo no so ye hypocrite or ye because who a player and Crawford show was young. Oh, Funny Face, oh, see, oh, your children's president. What to me at Nancy living be a school and yet this year no be a school. I think the last 2 years no be a school. It wait to me, I shall win. I'm on Crawford, Connie school. When to me review every secret. I better on Ubenya issue and son of Funny Face supposed to review a secret of Lewin. This destroy any school. No? Now after that secret we are obi no be go school ni bi Funny Face when you serious sometimes when you see Funny Face in the mindset na adwen no kakra bibi kakra ha no we say wo hunya ni kaba wo ya ba se yesi omo mu joku a wo hunya ni kaba ko si anye se bia me de ma no si ho so but de wo ye no nyansa bi enim me kwati a was we ja wo yire na so you your girlfriend and anything we ja no because on the man lewe information. This is bullshit. Now me dey me hikran say utimi oh tin dankesi we ahaye amansan tin dankesi we obia so no ye video betu adentia ena onu anya issue enti uka kire ka udidi wo enipa fo yatam udidi obi atam we kire say nipa wunya damfo a eso ye careful so obi wa damfo a secret bi wo wan say oka kire no say so for super dia wadamfo enje say wo ka wasem kire no because ni nya asem a odo wasem abesi abonten Ghana for mo hweme ese say nyina mi ni da ho because obi wo na ka wasem kire no ni nya asem a obeyi ni nyina pie no matter how the situation is who Funny Face kra who needs concern Lewin and I won't string Lewin. In any case, no one funny poker and send Lewin. So when Yamana Yawujina station no boom, and yet one more supporting on supporting. Namiko via Miti, who ye Nikaba could say, me ho cram and straight, me ho no him. When you are that job at transit say, me the reason when Jimmy go fool Funny Face, me catch it up. The team go fool, they say. O say Lewin e je fin obeyi ni secret ama wi ani school ni kura no obi antimi nko bi 2020 very funny. 2020 is about expose exposing for coronavirus and any people so any me nwa na nka wo funny face wo ne wan wo enye comedy na ye na ma osika wo enye comedy na ye na ma osika na ye Adebayo ene boa wo na no Adebayo no kare ya na no ho ya mesere Adebayo wonye sika ena ade ma funny face of antwema nso na anim nyansa wo ba sa na ma wi ekoka e bekas Ghana fo ebi mu di ebi mu kasa na wo funny face nkan krofo zo mo tewoto a ba bi a sha si free nyema o ye ya anka betimi agina na to wo teburofo akosu kakrenti Seliana it will be over you it will be over you Ghana is too much as ye nsua nyame asem no kra yenkan nti bibi ba issue aba mo betrans masete asem we ba ye Ghana fododo na anim say asem we asem abra ye dey award man and wo funny face one kasa mu betrans radio so on radio on TV ebe kan say even who ye on social media we record it say e fancy award na e dey ma fancy gadam no eye patapa dey na dey ma fancy gadam e ma wo kasa ti a VGM na se wo ne ye dey award man na lewen say enya wo dia na ye ne dia wo buofu wo funny face wo buofu wo funny face wo buofu because when you obuofu man na boa when you obuofu bi e ma ne boa wo funny face enti wo when you na so gina first ana search alwati e de echi no na wo story and when you papa when you shoe papa bi say utimi she suit those who abaso na mo so le win ni calibos and basement the joke munye careful because who le win especially who le win kakbi obi oni be say bia ni nya asamo a e wo de oka fa ho who le win uni obi nya asamo a e wo de oka fa ho de bia wo kan fo ho e na de wo abotre wo de wo yedin wo de wo oju ho enti ni nya mi hira ba le win hwe me ka se mi a kire obi anyankopon do no bia no ana obi a oye nya mi apedi bia no ne ti on jo ne ti no sa dreadlock na wogu yegu ti no so unim se nyankopon ni yo Kristo ni mapa sa de ni yifri uti so o Kristo ni mapa bia anya sa de ni muniti so e kan cross am na chiro so ni mu a na no chata wele to say e no de nyame na nyame ni nyame e ono osum nyame na wabo wasum ubo wasum na e dreadlock o shiwi uzu yo Kristo da ma yale kai Bible na hwe kono ko kan Bible na hwe na mo titi social media na kwasasem saa kwasiasem saa na mudi e ko kan mayenka na mo de bibenya mo time pa ye de Bible be hwemo Bible ye be hwemo because nyansa e go mutrim no en work yi in funny face end your story there. Me matisi and say we are there. Said you won fabra. Funny face. See when you kakra afri Adebayo ho a owu a ho be kire wo. See when you kakra be your family here. Fa your family here. Fa your family here. Na oba na san kwa ware ne pa na ware ne dia. And you cover the back because why bonny. Bible say adwaman pe. Ene bitimi ate onu oba ne ntam. It is our pamo na nya adwaman body a. And you be very careful. And now one example video say wo girlfriend awo. Ena calibos for man no we no ena adin man we ejini for papa funny face we ejini for papa sa video na kan ma hey we ejini for number 1 hey e ho na me hu say we ni nyansa ba say wutimi do girlfriend ma wadan for so we no we ejini for papa anu me hu kra dia ma boy no hey so in fact o kasa do now and I want to have Dam and I want to hey okay too much Mr. Video when I'm very angry and many if you people don't end this nonsense if you people don't stop this nonsense, because coronavirus now a war no enkoye ye dwene ye ho we Ghanaians want our peace of mind. We want our peace of mind. Na do paso oda na Nyankopon ma ni nyansa odibo man no Bible say nyansa nyina no ye hwehwemfiri onu Kristo ho. Nyame wo adwene fa dwene ubetra social media na wo jimi na de be market de tawo abo mu na wo jimi sa na wo jimi sa na mu jimi na mu gu social media na mu jimi ena industry na esi wo se mba brand industry no mo ko hwa abrofo no mo ko hwa da African countries no se sa mo asem na mo ti social media di no mo ye bia na they are branding themselves and no more boa emma omo industry hwe Nigeria fo ye movie a hwe se dom lisika wuram wo so le aso ye cow and chicken say Bismarck say na dia nti wo na wo boa Bismarck man anya na no dia na di cow and chicken ye movie we some series fun na mo ye no that series na 2x4 series no na nsen kwala hwe yo logi agidin to ajayi wey chicken cow and chicken ye series mum trance mini bibi sensible amoya ebetimi entertaining kwala ni mpinifo hwe se de yolo entertaining crofo yolo season 6 nkofo pa hwe de entertain up to now nyankofo pa hwe se de Ghana fo push Indian movies hwe se de Ghana fo push Indian movies yes it be there as intado bibidi kungu maja hwe se de Ghana fo puko hwe enemy mo ye cow and chicken for the kasa wey nka nyansa kakra wo mutirimu no wo betra se mu nyina mu ye jokers wo betra se mape ada stars ni nyina be kam ho matna so okay this what we want to do see a series very nice series be entertaining crofo be san so kanya na sama kire crofo na ma ye akrobetu the most talented person in Ghana now me say akrobetu the most talented person in Ghana ono wo fani face Lewin Calibos basement the joke send be bio yi event say papa kumasi o hwan no any kwakumenu ajeko wo ho ada artist ni bebre wo ho mo dia akrafo ni bia hihiem na mo very sensible betimi akọ international what the cow and chicken na kasa cow and chicken and to yolo cow and chicken na me abrewa me mama fish amone antemone yimu kra mo hwe cow and chicken ho fanya hwe cow and chicken egbo come egbo tiwe ben o home based TV tabito mo on faka wan chicken ya hwe o funny for me ra ho papa unu mo re ka chicken funny face me bisa unu mo re ka chicken cow and chicken e fan say KG1 for no o mo manya 4 years 3 years any 5 years for ne re cow and chicken useless movie bi anamo ye Ghana even a producers na useless movie bi anamo ye useless movie bi anamo ye it funny face definitely to buy cow and chicken useless movie na say about bi am ye chocolate trot movie bi say me hwe kura me yale so munye very careful na mo end this adewi at this end of this month mo end this akwasi asem no enye sa ade a ene youth e wo Ghana ye be sole mo so obi yale obi hia mpaibo se be bo mpae de man makuru na virus da finish so mo moto wona mudi mo asam mo nya sika kakra mo timi edinti mo to agimie na wo ma adwim na mo gimi na mo de me mam warning say gimi sam na mo gimi no o social media mo mo nyai na mo hu ne de be yam na me drop me drop me everything the we bia so mo hwe Hi Yadom TV. We say our mind. Me won't mean the matter. Because me, would you matter more? And it will be over you. And the make just in your money or china. Would you matter more? And in your money or china. Nyama yo china. Would you matter more? Nyama yo china. Because in the June, you know, you. And is that a kind of 1 year ago? By Judy, Obia, by Judy, and I will be a woo, by Judy, Obia, by Judy, I will be a woo. Into our money now. Sabo, and yes, at the end of June, you know, you. It's an empty most meeting, still charged the net to be. Wait me, I was up me, wait me, their far. And WhatsApp line is 0505508571. So, wait me, so I do messages. If you ask my mechanic, man, can you bit me and send it? And there are 2 comments, search, and I say, Bibia Pesu can be a as usual, I was story being up, see a count once a hour. First send me Facebook, YouTube, Facebook, and SHS TV on YouTube, Yadom TV. The WhatsApp line is 0505508571. So, you bet count once some the amount. You bet Tinipa Junior Wolf. As I say, never sending an uncle be up. Samsung, in fact, a beer, Open Super Sponsor, in himself coronavirus issues in the torso. Scan some cough, but to see a bow, Emma. Product cop and impa Obia my dear Obian sponsor, but Upa so free of mom now boy. Emma Maya Kama, the bear Jews of beating me about, or fire WhatsApp line now, or the near Casa Frey or Crabber, na near Casa Nafi, and more than Bia and Yakama, and Jack is young Kumak in Japan. Honorable, limiting Yamaka. I saw one day in Impa to Donna, and yet so moving and you're moving and but money. Money. Nti no enim so wo yedwuma but abotre yesra abotre na mpanifo a moboa ma coronavirus mu hwe nkro kanafo binim ne ade no nyame nhyira mu nyina na ontum nyina mo nkwanna mu sa edi besi ha se na afi na me yadomo a das na beto aso yedi preaching so beto am so na aya mo hwe na mumwa libianya kama Unifor Resta Ishira and Come Jones sir Bernard Ben from Home Base TV. I salute to Capito and Kiva Samran TV. In the end check you beba bukrum you be interviews near the receive you to come and Giacomo bibia ohweme na mi hire bibia so hwe mo hwe na mo subscribe na mo like na mo mi adomane so video be betum bia no ahwe when part of the show Yankopo betu nkwana mbesha na kuna virus enchoda na mi show bia makrawo within the chance nana atio bi by June there magana Africa ewiase nyina no bia ewu